Good day, M5331. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day my future employer. I'm Crisaní Cabañero, 36 years of age from Philippines. I'm a single parent, blessed with 2 kids, ages 12 and 7 years old. I'm a college graduate of a 2-year practical nursing course. I'm a Roman Catholic.
Okay, I saw that you have experience being a helper in Hong Kong, right?
Yes,
Okay, as a helper in Hong Kong, what are your main duties?
I take care of my employer's mother. She is 92 years old. My main duties are taking her blood sugar and blood pressure every day, assisting personal care like bathing, toileting, dressing, hair and nail care, assisting with walking, transferring from bed to chair, using the mobility aids like walker and wheelchair. I also do the household chores. I also look after my employer's grandchildren, ages 5, 7, and 12 years old. I accompanying them to their extracurricular activities, playing with them, and preparing snacks.
Okay, since you have experience in Hong Kong, but you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, right?
Yes, sir.
But it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Okay, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
First, making sure my hands is clean, wash my hands, and then wash the bottle and sterilize the bottle. Prepare the exact amount of water and milk, and then shake it a little bit, and then check the temperature, and then give to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check the diaper. Maybe the diaper is full or there have poop. Check the temperature, or maybe the baby is sleepy. I'll try to make the baby sleep.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature, also the diaper, and also check the baby, maybe the baby is sleepy but doesn't stop to cry, what will you do?
I inform the parents of the baby.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because the Hong Kong is a beautiful country and safest.
Yes,
And also, they pay the high salary in the helper.
okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
As long as they need my service.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare a Chinese food? Because you are an ex-Hong Kong, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Chicken congee, bean congee, steamed fish, steamed pork, soup, and minced pork with tofu.
Okay, and if the employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it's okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper?
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, it's okay.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday on a holiday setup by your
Yes,
employer?
it's okay for me.
Okay, it is okay to you to take care of pets?
Yes, it's okay for me.
For sure, it is okay to you to take care of elderly because you have an experience, right?
Yes.
Okay, and it is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes, sir. It's okay for
Okay.
me.
Last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I'm responsible, trustworthy, obedient, and patient. And I'll make it sure I will take care of, guide, and love your family as my own.
Okay, thank you very much. And 5331, Miss Crisaní. Thank you.
Thank you very much.